Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and FunTouch OS version so you know which settings are present. Once done, make sure the phone is charged above 30% and that you've backed up any customized settings. Next, open Settings and locate SIM and Network or Notifications. This is where the Volte indicator is controlled on most Vivo phones. You will also enable developer options only if the regular toggle is missing, which I'll show next. Now you disable the Volte icon by going to Settings, then Notifications and Status Bar, or SIM and Network. Different models place it differently. Toggle off the Vo LTE call icon or disable Vo LTE for the specific SIM. That removes the persistent label. If you don't see those options, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times, return to developer options, and look for status bar customization. Finish by rebooting the phone so the status bar fully refreshes and the Vo LTE icon disappears. Once rebooted, test calling and mobile data. Make sure you re-enable any features you need selectively if they were turned off. If the icon persists, reset network settings in System Settings or confirm whether your carrier forces the Vo LTE display. If needed, contact Vivo support or your carrier, because some firmware versions or operator profiles prevent hiding that indicator.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.